right.
Bo peachy dash soup. What?
Left right.
Bo dash soup. Where is it? Dash soup, you know what? Cat soup or some shit. The fuck?
Peachy national soup in can cook. Can she wants to, but she say cat cook.
Cat cook.
Welcome to PUBG
You still there,
Mobile.
brother?
Can you hear what I want to feel a while ago?
Canary. He's a bot to me.
It's okay.
I should come through with that peachy.
Yo, don't be trying to stab me. Don't be.
Moving forward.
My name Boss
We will be taking
man.
off soon. Be
They
prepared.
can't do peach.
It's okay.
They can't
It's
do
okay,
peach.
newbie. It's okay, newbie. I got you. It's okay, newbie. I got you.
What do you man name man?
Can't
My
do
fish
secret.
brother.
What you mean,
Can't do
bro?
secret,
Come here now, let me show you a pre, no, brother. You want to grab your head and suck it off, bro.
Right now, Murdy, right now.
Jeez, I'm pissed.
Sit back in the background and watch what happens.
It's a... Once they come and hold it head and suck it off here.
What?
Me and mama said, I was... Mama said,
No, not right there. That's not enough.
Help!
Well, stab him one time, you know?
What's happening on the gun, you know? Jesus, dead me dear.
Watch double pistol.
Canary, a camper. Canary, a camper. Come here. Where's the gun? Come here. Ya camper. Come here.
Up top, babes.
Ya camper. Ya camper. Oh dear. Okay. Better should eat.
Help!
Bro. Hindi doon nga the back room.
Yeah.
Makomenta sa Snoopy. Makomenta sa Snoopy.
Watch out!
Kayo. Kayo, man. Teammate up on the roof are pushing up. Nice. Ras, yo. Help Nobi, help Nobi. Nice. Come pick me
nice,
up.
you fuck, you. Watch your back, watch your back.
Watch out.
Watch your back.
Osh.
Can you hear?
Wait, careful. Menu here. Well, me no know. Me
No,
just
that
come
good,
back.
that good.
She's a back here.
Fuck, Lord.
Watch out. You did it.
You know that, me grab him.
Watch your window.
This boy low.
Nice.
Oh dear. I got back, let me
What?
see.
See what happened, so it was Batman. No, I was low, I was super low. And I didn't have any bullets, see? Literally just reloaded my two guns.
Can you hear a Batman
Any
chat?
ammo.
Somebody run us.
Watch out!
Another box.
Help me like a boy, bro.
Ras, you knife
Step out
somebody.
your son.
Can you listen that? Kenny, where you go? No. Sure you had that. Anyway, she get lucky later scot free. You go there by your neck.
Need ammo.
Send for your bada girl. She no wanna bada
It's
man.
like
Haley have the best pussy in the West Indies.
seeing in real life, you know.
Yeah, of course.
Jolly speechless.
My dear.
That's one I'm on the next way, my dear.
You know, but you know, you can guess who are
Not
just
people enough to kiss and tell you no.
Hmm?
Lilac show.
big one, you know. Bye. Bye, girl. All right, bro. I'm getting.
I just hear all footsteps.
Help!
Jesus.
Yeah?
Bro, I'm put on my iPad, dog. I'm gonna get tired.
Yeah.
Hmm?
I'm gonna get tired, dog. I'm put on my iPad.
Marked a location.
Just put on my iPad and shout
dear.
out for somebody.
I just hear all footsteps up.
Watch our movie till me drop asleep and come back on stream at 12 o'clock.
You can get them about
Play one more after this and jump, dog. Boy. But no one come call me and keep my company.
yeah, this is share come, bro.
Earlier call me? Alright.
Oh, tell him so the next 2 minutes will call him. Alright, Haley.
Lie, Elliot. I'm not sure come for your life. Because I know she not say nothing like that.
For real. So when you mute her for? Jesus Christ, such a...
Who get mute?
They mute
In the back thing.
Who mute Haley?
Marita.
Who?
No, I mute Haley for bro.
One youth? Haley and somebody have something over there. Why my legs them so cool?
Bumbleclot!
Campura.
My dear.
Easy to you. You grow up here.
Oh, fucker.
You need fly pyramid. And me shoot the rope. Oh, then swing for mine.
Oh.
Yeah, come back over here, like, why? So you never want nobody to say I got call PT after a match, after a live done. I'm not telling nobody else. Shut! Early to put them in the straight. They shouldn't do it. Sorry, sir. Like, you have come on over here, maybe. Peach, you have come on over here, maybe, yeah? Hey, the bad boy.
Me.
Yeah, woman over, of course, yeah, woman over here.
TikTok woman them a drama.
You saying,
Yeah, somebody know my friends is online. They do. I miss out a lot.
Yeah, man, team cup now.
rough girl, rough.
Stop now!
Shitty stop.
No. Stop no, Shelly.
How them cards I do?
To be honest, you know make no sense to start using, you know. I swear to you.
No, how would them do?
Girl,
It's
to
correct.
start right now, you're not get all of them unless somebody has seen all of them. We have duplicates. And make you get all of them max.
See, we're going done. What am I done?
Wait, the season soon
Shelly,
finish?
one,
Yeah, less than 20 days.
Welcome to PUBG Mobile.
Start playback on the new season. Start because no Shelly. I put on mount already. Stop.
You know what the fuck? You know. It's good, you know.
We will be taking off soon. Be prepared.
I don't know, it's just something about the American accent me just don't like.
Where's it?
No, man, kill it again.
No, I can't make
That's
a
a
man
weird
come out the
boy.
box
Fetish.
tonight. I make a man come out the
Get
box
shit again.
tonight. Look about.
Mood can't even skin yet.
Stop now. Sharp P3 landing.
AK, let me see AK.
Landing that calling.
Can you one in a
No!
yeah man, broke her up man, broke her up. Thump her up. Thump her up.
No!
Long time the man not coming in here with the canary.
Long time.
I'm so sorry, Mary. Lost your spirit.
Blood clot for free. So I'm on it.
Man.
Come on, kill him. Run the kill.
Dirty canary.
Watch him run past you. Come now. Chance to wait or try something. You know?
I'm on the right to the door. Push him.
Yeah, but it's that one.
Think you'd push that man on the way. You know, your man push up on the left.
Oh.
And kill him.
Literally, I can.
Hey, your footstep, but I don't know.
Hey, but can't they do this one. 12.
Put him back a ground.
Mama heavy bomber ass.
Wait.
Itchy.
I'm not playing no more. I'm done.
Yo, mama salt your fuck. Mama even get pick up.
Should we get pick up?
No.
Yeah, man. Bye bye.
Real.
Stream until
Alright,
about
cool, bro.
8 o'clock. And then go on the road.
Later,
Alright.
NF.
Yeah, man. Look, come on. Bye bye. Wait, that's how we have to come out
Chat.
and lobby first. Go ahead. 1, 2.
Steady feeling get on the way. I've been asleep for so many years. Quote unquote. Bad man no shade many tears. Bad man no shade many tears. But I'm still standing through all the thick and thin. Man never stop grinding. Jack I did. I wanna count his blessings and live them one by one. Oh Father, watch over we. God, we proud of it. When she said, Bobby, solid, and mommy proud of me. Never switch, never shake, never cut a way. Daddy say I'm pro for you. No logic. Set your own pace and don't copy. Turn everyone. And make progress, yeah, get more bread than a toast again. Cups up, roll a split. No put the happiness, but nobody. Style feeling get away. I mean, I see for some.
Chicken, yun na. Tapos ang laban kagad para sa ating mga tropa. So pero dapat nakapalo kayo kanila Boss Jorens, yung sponsor natin ha. Then Black SS. Sorry na pindot. Okay. Then Black SS. Siyempre, send nyo na nakapalo kayo kay Boss Jorens, no? Yan lang, nakapalo kayo sa akin. Kasi pamigay naman yan talaga guys, pamigay. Legit, pamigay na yan. Yung kababa ng eliminations na yan. Sobrang baba niya. Pamigay yan. Ayun na, nagpahinga na nga ating mga tropa. Sabi nila, kailangan na nila magpahinga. Punta tayo kay YG0. Eto yung mahirapan din sila dito eh. Ay, na-shutdown na yata sila Maro. Ito, mahirapan silang kalabanin ko. Which is nandito si 6-7. Pero wala na akong tiwala sa mga iba niyang kasama. Parang malabo na silang makahabol. Kung nag-chicken man yung mga yan, malabo lang din eh. Thank you, Chiu. Guys, 100k tap for the next map, no? Kung gusto nyo pa ng next map na may prize, pabuti na natin ng 100k tap. Malang pre, nagtapling at mukhang si Zero. Ay, napakaganda! Isang aim niya kasi. Kailangan nyo ng sensitivity. Kaso nga lang, ibinagdaan na naman ng ating Maru sa eliminations ang isang Bramel natin na si Koza pinatulog lang doon. Sinong susunod? Napakaraming smoke range natin. Nakatakbo, nakapag-reset pa naman ang ating mga Zero. Hindi ko na nababasa yung mga pangalan sa Apex. Dahil nag-spy na sila, sabi nila mamaya na tayo bumanat. Pag chicken dinner, pabayaan na lang natin yan. Stage 4 zone pa lang naman, PR natin at Cody. Pero nandito na sila, parang hindi yata magpapahinga itong mga to. Sabi niya, anong pahinga? Tatapusin na namin ngayon yan. At mukhang tinatatapusin na nga. Sila game. At mukhang delikado pa nga ang buhay ng ating Hamol. Natapa ang isang tropa ng team 20 natin. Pero nung nagkasa, lumapas at mukhang tulog silang lahat. So 19 eliminations na para sa team 20 natin. At chicken na lang yung kailangan talaga nila. Miko GG natin, wala na to. Lista mo na to. So 19 LLMs, no? Isang LLMs na lang yan. At mukhang ito na lang yung kailangan nilang pabagsakin, tol. Si Jazer, si Traffic, si Zen Pro. Andito pa si Maru natin with 11 eliminations para sa kanyang team. Malaki yung tiwala ko kay Maru, tol, no? Malaki yung tiwala ko kay Maru. Kasi subok ko na yan. Nang-wipe din to. Si Miko GG natin, pinatulog na. So, ibig sabihin, 20 eliminations na para sa ating team 20. At saktong-saktong 20 eliminations na, no? Pero ang mahirap dito kasi, boy, putyang gala, tatawa ka pa, Maru. Tali ko yung itlog mo, eh. Ano na, nagiwahiwalay, Maru? Nagiwahiwalay? Kala ko nasa pitch ka nun, ah. Eto na yata yun, pre. Siyaw natin, mukhang mamamataan. Nagkamali ka ng pinasukang liga, pero mukhang nakaramdam ang ating tropa. Takbo, malala. At mukhang yung tatakbuhan mo, nandyan pa yung mga team 20 natin, naghihintay na ikarton ka, boy. Pero elimination, sabi ni Datboy Yuan, sabi ng ating mga team 10. Wala na to, guys. Kick na tayo. May next, diba? Kung gusto nyo pa ng next G, guys, 100k tap yan, guys. 100k tap. Ayan, nandyan naman na 100k tap for the next drop na map. Ayun, o. Daming babaril sa'yo, tol. Binubutas na yung mga sasakyan mo. Delikado ka na makalis dyan. Dahil gitnang-gitna ka pa. Makikita ni Codis to. Alam ni Codis kung nasaan, eh. Alam ni Codis kung nasaan. At mukhang iba pa nga yung kumuha. Locks pa nga yung kumuha doon na si Scrony. Eto na talaga yon. Sabi ng team 20 natin, tol! Mag-ingat na tayo. Nakuha natin range natin, bumagsak na. Ang kailangan na lang natin kunin ngayon yung chicken. Kaso nga lang, pre, paano nyo kukunin yung chicken? Kung nandyan pa sila chaser, nandyan pa yung tinik ng mga tinik. With 4 eliminations para kay 6-7 natin, nag-smoke na ang ating kaibigan. Dahil parang alis na to, kukuha na ng punto ang ating 6-7. Pero may tinamaan, walang iba kundi si TikTok Zen Pro natin. Tas si Zeno natin, pinatumba na ni Apex natin at mukhang tulog na ang ating mga tropa doon na sila Maru at wala nang tinik yata. Si Maru natin with 10 eliminations. Boy, this is bad. Dahil kailangan niyang labanan si Chaser natin, bumagsak na din yung isa. At free chicken yata to para sa ating mga kaibigan ng Team 20. Kaso nga lang si Basilan Budia 4 ay bumagsak na din. Ay tutok na din yung mga natira. Delikado na to. At pinitas ka! So ibig sabihin dalawa na lang ang natitira ng Apex at ang isang TFQ pa nga. Ngayon, anong gagawin ng ating Apex dito dahil mukhang nasa kita sila nandyan na 7 natin. Ayaw ibigay ng ating mga tropa na sila 7. Chicken na yung kailangan nyo dahil nakuha nyo elimination YG0 natin dahil sa chain seat na ginawa ng ating tropa na 7. Tulog ng ating tropa doon. Ngayon, ang problema na lang paano pabagsakin tong dalawa na to. Pero muntik ang pang nasagasaan. Carplay ang ginagawa ng ating tropa na 7. Bumaba. Blik natin. Bumagsak. At mukhang clear natin. At eto na yun, pre. Dahil meron pa sa likod niya at walang iba kundi si Maru natin yun. Delikado pa nga si 6-7 natin dahil tinamaan sa ulo galing kay Braxy natin. So, pamaging up. At parang hindi napapayagan to. So, TikTok natin. Si Maru na lang yung kailangan nilang pabagsakin at ang isang TikTok share natin. Kailangan makisawsaw ang ating mga tropa dito ng Team 3 at mukhang si Maru natin dito with 10 eliminations. Merong nade na binato ang ating kaibigan. Another nade. Kukunin kaya yung nade na yan para sa inyo, tropa. Pero si Apex natin, alam na natin. Hindi ka Maru dito. Delikado kayo ngayon, boy! Babanggay na to. Makikita na. Sherry, hindi na na-up. Blink natin. Pinatulog na ng tuluyan ng ating tropa ng TFQ na si Braxy natin. Tama ba? Panginoon! Pero may sniper nang galing kaya free chicken na to para sa ating mga Team 20 at mukhang sila yung kukuha ng premyo dahil nagmamadali na. Sinatol nyo si Maru. Kaya ngayon mukhang boy, dahil nakakasagod mo, nilabasan ng equal, matutulog ka ngayon, boy! Kala mo, ini-sniper mo si Maru eh. Tulog si Maru, siya na lang yung hahadlang doon with 10 eliminations. Siya na lang talaga yung hahadlang. Siya na lang talaga yung hahadlang doon para hindi makuha yung prize. Okay, joke lang pala yung price. Sineryoso nyo naman. Seryoso nyo naman. Joke lang yun. Masyado kayong seryoso, guys. Masyadong seryoso, no? Joke lang yun eh. Joke lang yun ha. Okay, trial lang yun. Try lang yun. Joke lang yun, guys ha. Joke lang, no? Try lang yun. Ito na yung totoo talaga. Ito na yung totoo, okay? Ginalingan nyo kasi, no? Ito na yung totoo, guys, ha? Ayan. Joke pa lang yung una. Ano yun? Trial lang yun, no? Tsaka ang galang daming sniper rin, no? Si Maru pa, eh, no? Practice pa lang yun. Practice lang. Joke lang yun, guys, ha? Joke lang yun. Okay, let's go. Joke lang yun ha. Rondo yung totoo na, no? Rondo yung totoo. Rondo yung totoo. Joke lang yung una-una. Joke lang yun. Joke lang yun ha. Joke lang. Ako na mag-claim sa amin niya. Joke lang yun. Anong may claim nyo? Pucha, ang gala. Joke lang yun eh. Ayaw nyo maniwala ha. Kala nyo, totoo ha. Joke daw bro. PM nyo, PM. PM nyo lang ako yung number, no? Ano to ya? Joke nga yun. Nalala mo ko, joke nga yun. Joke nga lang yun eh. Wala. Trash talk na ako guys. Wala. Joke na lang talaga. Nan-trash talk ka agad. Wala na. Joke na lang talaga yun. Ano yun? Reroom yun. Kasi naglalag daw si Maru na sniper. Naglag si Maru eh, na-sniper eh. Kung hindi na-sniper si Maru, wala. Na-sniper eh. Na-sniper, wala na. GG. Oh, asang Black SS. I-PM mo tong account ko na to. Dito. Black SS. Nakapalo kay Boss Joren, ha? Yung top viewer natin. Nakapalo kayo dun sa sponsor. Black SS na nakapalo. Ay, Black SS. Tapos, yung nakapalo kayo kay... Yung sa sponsor, ha? Nakapalo kayong 4. Ba't mo kasi sinilip sa akin? Tantado ka. Ba't ka kasi pupunta sa may puno? Open pa. Tado. Isa lang tinitignan mo. Sino ba mag-claim? Isa lang ba? Isa lang ba mag-claim? Dito. Yung top 1 viewer natin, no? Ay, wala na si Jorens natin. Eto, PM nyo ako dito. Dito nyo ako PM. Isa lang mag-claim para isang send lang. Ayan. Okay, nakapalo kayo Jorens, ha? Nakapalo kayo kay Jorens, ha? Okay, walang pupunta sa slot 24 daw, guys. Walang pupunta sa slot 24. 17. Okay, rondo tayo, ha? O, ngayon tatasan natin. Kasi may recall naman. Your follow request. Puchang gala. Follow request. Paano natin ma-check yung PM? Tado. Ayan na. Black SS. Ay, okay. Taas natin yung eliminations ngayon, ha. Taas natin kasi may recall, no? Which is dadagdagan natin ng 10. Kasi may recall, eh. Dagdagan natin ng 10. Kasi may recall, no? Kasi may recall. Sigurado kayo nakapalo kayo kay Boss Jorens, ha? SS. Baka yan, follow nyo pa yan, ha? Pag pinalo nyo, huwag nyo nang yan follow, guys. Malay nyo, hindi lang ngayon mag-sponsor, di ba? Malay nyo, hindi lang ngayon naka-sponsor. Ayun. Okay. Oh. Cash G. Malay nyo, no? Tas natin. Wala na si Jorens yata. May price pa rin to. Wala na. Kinuha nyo na kagad, eh. Meron pa rin, no? Ganun pa rin. 25 siguro. 25 LMs for 400 na lang to. Kasi biniglan natin. I-1 game ko lang sana yun, eh. Okay, 400 ngayon. Hanapin mo baga kakampi na palo. Kakampi na palo. Puchang gala. Nandyan ba si Rek? Sama ko sa'yo si Rek. Si Ezo. Ay, may kasama si Ezo. Eto, pre. Asa na dito? Wala pa yung mga palo, eh. Wala sila Rek, eh. Yan. 100k yung lipad natin, guys, ha. Mag-play tayo ng 100k. Okay. Then press send. Check PM ano, Japita. Okay. All goods na. All goods na yung una. Okay? Ayun, ganun lang. Ano code? Okay, ngayon, no? Price. Ayun. Okay, ngayon. 400. Ganun pa rin. Okay, 400 ngayon, no? 400 ngayon. Ganun pa rin. At tingnan mo. Okay, ganun pa rin, no? 20 eliminations with winner-winner chicken dinner, no? With winner-winner chicken dinner. Okay, 400 ngayon, no? Mababa siya ngayon. Okay. Ayan, ganun pa rin. Ayan. 400 naman ngayon with winner-winner chicken dinner. 20 kills, no? 400 nga eh. 4 each, no? 4 each yan. 4 each yan, guys, ha? Ganun pa rin, 4 each. Saan nag-claim? Sa akin kasi sinend na sa akin yun. Ah, nabigay ko na yung sa una, Yusi ba? Hindi, tol. Ano pa rin, no? Rondo tayo, guys. Okay, 100k. Lipat tayo. Baka di mo kilala. Anong di mo kilala? Ayan, guys, ha? Nandyan si Boss Jorens. So, dapat nakafollow kayo kay Jorens natin. Ayan, which is nakafollow naman sila. Nakafollow naman sila. Ayan, no? So, pag low level yung kasama nyo, damay buong team, ha? So, ibig sabihin, ngayon pa lang, kung low level yung ka-team nyo, damay buong team. Damay buong team, ha? 4H ngayon, ha? 4H, which is mababa ngayon. Damay buong team, guys. Damay buong team yan. Sa akin ka nagti-thank you, yung sponsor natin. Basta nakapalo kayo kay sa sponsor. Malay nyo, hindi lang ngayon mag-sponsor yan, no? Laki ng sinin yan, no? Malay nyo, hindi lang ngayon. Nakuha ka agad, ha? Mukhang mababa yung sinabi ko dun, no? Mukhang mahirap ata tukunin. Sobrang dali nilang kinuha yung kanina. At ginawa nila yun sa Erangel pa. Pamigay yan, guys. Pamigay talaga. Legit yan. Sabi pa nga ni Boss.
ထိတဲ့ဟာတဲ့ဒါပေမဲ့လည်းပွဲမစခင်ပဲတဲ့ကိုင်းနဲ့မှလိုက်လာတာတဲ့အေးတို့တိုင်းခြိုက်တယ်အဲ့လောက်ပဲလားဒါပဲလားတော့ပြီလားဒီလောက်ပဲလားနှစ်ကောင်နဲ့လာလို့တိုင်းဟာမင်းကနှစ်ကောင်နဲ့လာရဲတတိကိုချီးကျူးတယ်တကယ်ပြောတာနှစ်ကောင်နဲ့လာတဲ့တတိချီးကျူးတယ်ရ ခေါ်တာ69ကောင်ဗျလိုက်လာတာတစ်ဖွဲ့တည်းဖြစ်နေလို့69ကောင်လို့လိုက်လာလိုက်ရတယ် brother အကြံတူပြင်5ပြတူပြင်5ပြအဲ့ဒါကြားထဲနေပြီးလိုက်ကောက်စားအခုက4ကောင်နဲ့လိုက်လာတော့သူတို့က4ယောက်ကကျွန်တော်ဘာ target ထားပြီးပြစ်တာဗျအဲ့တော့သိရမလားဘယ်လိုပြပက်ကြီးတို့ကြာစားညက်တယ်ဖြစ်တာဗျသိရမလားလိုက်လာတာနဲလို့ဘယ်မြောက်ပဲလုတ်ပါဟာအေးတို့မင်းတို့ကကြမ်းပြပြန်တော့လဲနေတော့မြောက်ပဲလုတ်တယ်ငါတလောက်ကြမ်းပြနေတော့လဲနေတော့မြောက်လုတ်တယ်မြောက်လုတ်ပြန်တော့လဲကြမ်းပြရတယ်အဲ့ဒါငါဘာသာလို့ရမှာပြောခရာ brother ကြမ်းမကြမ်းတာလား
ခက်တာနဲ့အကျမ်းမှမကျန်တာလားခက်တာမကျန်ကြတာခက်တယ်ဒါအစ်စ်မော်တိုင်းအာဘာတိုင်းကျန်းကြီးအောင်လားကျွန်တော်ဒီခါမခေါ်တော့ဗျာတော့ခေါ်လို့ရှိရင်သိရမလား
Be prepared.
ဟိုဖောက်ကတ်ထားတာလည်းနဲသွားရဗျာသိရမလားမြောက်လက်လက်ကြရတာโอเคဟုတ်တယ် bro အဲ့လောက်ကြီးကြာတတိရှိပိုင်လိုက်ခဲ့ရဘဲမှမစင်းနဲ့ရ69ကောင်69ကောင်လုံးတတိရှိပိုင်လိုက်ခဲ့ဘဲမှမစင်းနဲ့ဘာမှမပြောနဲ့ကွာမင်းသားဒါရှိလိုက်ခဲ့ပြောခွင့်မပေးဘူးတတိရှိလိုက်ခဲ့လားညာမပြောဘူးပါရိုက်ကိုခေါ်တယ်ဘူးကန်ကိုခေါ်တယ်ဖျားเจ้าကိုခေါ်တယ်အကုန်လုံးကုန်းတယ်ကျွန်တော်ရဲ့နေရာပိုင်နန်းဗျဗရဒရဲ့ကျွန်တော်ရဲ့စကြက်ကျွန်တော်ကျင်းလည်နေတဲ့နေရာနော်ကျွန်တော်ကျင်းလည်နေတဲ့နေရာဒီနေရာမြင်အောင်ကြည့်တာတော့ဒါကျွန်တော်ကျင်းလည်နေတဲ့နေရာโอเคယုံလို့မှတ်လိုက်တစ်လုံးပဲအများကြီးမှတ်နေနော်တစ်လုံးပဲတရားတစ်လုံးပဲဒီဘက်ကောင်လိုက်ခဲ့ရဟိုဘက်ကိုလိုက်ပြီးငါတို့ကပုံလို့ပုံကြောင်မစင်းနဲ့ဒဲစင်းလားဒဲစင်းတချင်းဒဲစင်းပါလေပုံလို့ဘာလို့လဲမပုံကြီးဒဲပဲအမမပုံကြီးဝါနောခုနော်ပုံပြနေရောက်တဲ့ပြဟိုဘာပုံလို့မလော်ပုံလို့မ哇你我小鸡天啊小雞天嚟到你咯哦ချော်ကိုင်းထင်ပြီးတက်သွားလုံနေတာသရိုက်မပြစ်ဖ ೇನೆ ချော်ကိုင်းထင်လိုက်တာဩဆင်းရိုက်တော့ကွာငကြကျိုးရပြုတ်ကုန်ပြီငကြကျိုးရပြုတ်ကုန်ပြီတင်းလိုက်တော့ကွာချော်ကိုင်းထင်ပြီးတက်သွားလုံတာရာအမလေးဟဲ့damn bro ကျန်းနေပြကြိုက်တယ်3နှစ်တော့ခံနေ